Hello students, welcome to the class. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. Today, let's start with exercise 5D of the chapter Decimals. In the previous class, we have completed till exercise 5C. So today, we're going to start with exercise 5D. And in this exercise, we will come to know about addition of decimals and subtraction of decimals. So, let's start solving the sums. Here, the number is given 6.32 and 8.57. First, we have to arrange the number in column, keeping the decimal points in the same column. The digits having the same place value should be in the same column. So, 6.32 and 8.57, the decimals point are in the same column. So, 2 plus 7, 9, and 3 plus 5 is 8. Then, we have to put the decimal. And 8 plus 6 is 14. So 14.89. So the number is 14.89. Now the second number is 26.407 and 18.53. So first again we have to arrange the numbers in column and then add 7 plus 0, 7, 0 plus 3, 3, 4 plus 5, 9, and then again you have to put the decimal, as the decimal are after the 3 digit. 6 plus 8, 14, 2 plus 1 carry 4. So 44.937 is the answer. Now number 6, the numbers are 16, then 44.37 and 12.57 and 6. So these numbers are in unlike decimals. So first convert the numbers, the given decimal, into like decimal. So 16.30 as 12.576 has the maximum decimal places. 12.576 has the maximum decimal places. So, we have to put 3 places after the decimal. So, 16.000 and 47.370, then 12.576. Then we have to add the number 6. 0 plus 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 7 is 14. 14, carry 1, 3 plus 5 is 8 plus 1, 9, then put the decimal, then 6 plus 4, 10, plus 2, 12, then again 1 carry, 1 plus 4, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. So the number is 72.946. Now number B. Find the value of 16.25 plus 8 plus 6.35. Again, we have to convert the given decimal into like decimal. So, we get 16.25 plus 8.00 plus 6.35. Because the maximum decimal places, there are maximum of 2 decimal places. So, we have to convert 8 into the 2 decimal places. 2 places of decimal. So, 16.25 plus 8.00 and 6.35. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry 1. 2 plus 0 plus 3 plus 1 is 6. Then 6 plus 8 plus 6. 20, carry 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So the number is 30.60. Now number C, subtract and check your subtraction. First, we have to subtract the number, and with the given number, we have to check whether the subtraction is correct or not. So let's first convert the number given decimal into like decimal. So 48 as 76.25 has two places of decimal. So convert 48 into the two places of decimal. So 48. So 76.25 minus 48.00. 48. Subtract 48 from 76.25. So 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 0, 2. Then put the decimal, then 6. So 8 can't be subtracted from 6. So carry 1. 16 minus 8, 8. And then 6 minus 4 is 2. Now 28.25 is the answer, but we have to check. So from the number obtained plus the second number, that is 48. So add the number obtained number, that is 28.25 plus 48. So 5, 2 plus 0, 2. Then put the decimal. 8 plus 8 is 16. Carry 1. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 1, 7. See, 76.25 and 76.25 is the first number. So after adding, if the number is equal to the first number, so the subtraction is correct. So 76.25 is equals to 76.25 they are. So this is the number and the subtraction is correct. As by adding the difference obtained to the smaller number, and if the result is the greater number, it means the subtraction is correct. So 48 is the smallest number, 48 is the smaller number, and 76.25 is the greater number. By adding the number obtained plus the smaller number, we got the greater number. Here, find the value of number 4, 41.03 minus 16.327. So first convert the given decimal into like decimals, as 16.327 has the maximum decimal places. So first convert 41.03 into the 3 decimal places. So here 41.030, by adding 0 to the right side, we'll convert the number into the like decimal. So 41.030 minus 16.327. So 10 minus 7, 3. As 7 can't be subtracted from 0. So 10 minus 7, 3. Then here is 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Then again take 1. Then 10 minus 3, 7. There again there is 0. So again take 1. 10 minus 6 is 4. And here is 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 24.703. So 41.03 minus 16.327 will get 24.703. Here number E. 1. Ankush purchased a book for rupees 45.50 and a notebook for rupees 26.25. How much money did Ankush spend in all? So Ankush purchased book for rupees 45.50 and he also purchased notebook for rupees 26.25. So the total money he spent. So we have to add both the numbers. So here, first cost of book is rupees 45.50 and cost of notebook is rupees 26.25. First we have to add to find out the total money spent by Ankush. So 0 plus 5, 5 plus 2, 7. Then as the both numbers are in like decimal, so we'll put the decimal here, and 6 plus 5 is 11, so carry 1. So 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1. The total money spent by Ankush is rupees 71.75. Exercise 5E. In exercise 5E, we will learn multiply, the decimal, multiplication of decimal, dividing decimals, multiplying and divide decimals by 10 and 100. So first let's start number A, multiply. So multiplying a decimal number by a whole number. Number 2, 12.3 multiplied by 7. So 12.3 into 7. So first 7 multiply by 7. 7 3s are 21. 1, 2 carry. 7 into 2, 14. Plus 2, 16. 6, you'll write 6 here and 1 carry. 7 plus 1. 7 into 1. 7 plus 1, 8. So here the number is 8, 6 and 1. And here 1 place of decimal. So we'll put the decimal here. I have to count from the extreme right. Here's a 1 place. So we have to put the decimal 1 place. Because 12.3 has 1 place of decimal. So the number will also have the product decimal will be placed after 1 digit from the right. So 12.3 into 7 is equals to 86.1. Now number 8, 3.214 into 24. So first we will arrange it in such a way so that we can multiply it. Now 4 into 4, 16 carry 1. 4 into 4 ones are 4. 4 4s are 16 carry 1. 4 ones are 4 plus 1 5. 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. Now we'll put cross or you can put 0 as well. Now start multiplying by 2. The first step, multiply by 4, the completed. Now we'll start multiplying by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Now we'll add both the steps. 6, 5 plus 8 is 13, carry 1, 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11 and 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7 and 6 plus 1 7. So the number 77136 and here 3.214 has 3 places of decimals. So in the product, decimal will be placed after 3 digit from the right. We'll put the decimal from the extreme, counting from the extreme right. 1, 2 and 3. So the number is 77.136. So 3.214 multiplied by 24 will get 77.136. Now number B, divide 119.2 divided by 8. So first divide 119.2 by 8. So 8 ones are 8. 11 minus 8, 3. and then we will drop down 9, 39. Now 8 4s are 32. 32 is less than 39, so 8 4s are 32. So 39 minus 32, 7. 9 minus 2, 7, and 3 3 0. Now we'll put the decimal, as in the dividend there is decimal, so we have to put decimal in the quotient in the same place. Now we'll drop down 2. Now 8 9s are 72, so we'll put 0. So 14.9 is the answer. So 119.2 divided by 8 will get 14.9. Now decimals multiplication by 10 and 100. So the point is denoted as decimal, and we'll write MR as a short form for multiplication and R for right side. Okay. So M for multiplication and R for the right side. So let's start solving the sums. So first let me explain you with the help of examples. So 1.243 into 10. So how you will get the product? You have to move to the right side. So the decimal is here and you have to move to the one place, as 10 is there. So one place, move the decimal point to the one place to the right, because there is 1 0. So we have to move the decimal point one place to the right. So the number will be 12.43 after 2. From here to here. Now here 1.243 into 100. Have to move 2 places. We have to move the decimal point 2 places to the right, from here to here. So the number will be 1.124.3. As here are 2 zeros, so have to move the decimal point 2 places to the right. Now let's start solving the sum. Here 0.69 into 10. Again you have to move from here to here, one place, the decimal point one place to the right. So the number will be 6.9. Now 2.312 into 10. Again move the decimal point one place to the right. The number will be 23.12. Now 9.65 into 100. Have to move again to decimal point 2 places to the right. Now 965.0 or 0. So 965.0 or 965. Here decimal division by 10 and 100. Here the point is denoted for decimal, and here's D and L. The short form is D and L. D for division and L for left side. I have to move to the left side, as you have to move the decimal point in the dividend to the left side by one place if the divisor is 10, and by the 2 place if the divisor is 100. So first Let's solve some examples. 1.421 divided by 10. As the one place, if the divisor is 10, so we have to move to the left side by one place. So from here to here. So 0.1421. As the divisor has 1 0, so we have to move to the left side, the decimal point one place to the left in the dividend. Now the divisor has 2 zeros, so we have to move the decimal point 2 places to the left in the dividend. Now here 0.01421. Now here find the quotient. Number 1, 27.5 when get divided by 10, we have to move one place to the left side, the decimal point to the one to the left, one place to the left in the dividend. So 2.75. Here 5.8 divided by 10. Again you have to move the decimal point one place, as there is 1 0 in the divisor. So one place to the left in the dividend. So 0.58. Now here is the 2 zeros. So we have to move to the left the decimal point to the 2 place to the left in the dividend. So here 0.0473. So that's all for today. We'll solve the word problem and exercise 5F in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Complete till number D of exercise 5E. Thank you. Have a nice day.